Hey,
Hey, I'm outside. Are you gonna let me in?
that depends. Is that for me?
I think we both need it.
Agreed.
Hey, did you catch the news last night?
No, anything good?
Good. I think that ship sailed long ago.
What happened?
This woman who had just lost her husband tried to burn herself alive. It's weird. People don't usually want to die that way.
Nobody knew the reason why?
Oh yeah, her husband had just died.
I mean, why she chose that way to die?
I don't know. Maybe she felt guilty somehow?
Yeah. I mean, I guess losing someone you love kind of does that, you know.
Yeah.
So how have you been?
I feel like I should ask you the same thing.
I feel like I asked you first.
You continue to amuse me, Tyler. I can't tell you.
Why not?
Because I don't know.
Elsa, we're supposed to be talking about these sort of things, okay? It's the only way we can get through it.
Oh, please, the last thing I need is a moral lecture.
Listen, we're both hurting. You deal with it and you move on. That's life.
Life doesn't deserve such an alluring name.
Look, we could not have predicted it, and I am sure he forgives us wherever he is.
What were you watching?
Lars von Trier's Antichrist.
That's a tough pill to swallow.
You know, I'm actually quite surprised you can even see it. This is far from pleasant viewing.
I mean, just because it represents the cold hard truth doesn't mean it's an insensitive movie.
I just think that the movie could also be trying to influence life in a way.
I don't think so. For me, this represents how cruel nature can be.
Also, let's just agree to disagree.
It's ironic, isn't it? That these two characters are suffering to a point where they seek self-punishment. I can't help but think all their problems could be solved if they could just bring back the person they love the most.
Would you bring him back?
I would. If I could. This is really good. Remember that time we went to that pizza place and the waiter came over and he asked what you like to drink and he said
Pepperoni. Yeah. I remember first day of school, we were in first grade and I was late. So when I got to the classroom, all of the seats were taken and the only seat that was available was in the back next to him. So I sat next to him, I introduced myself, and he turns to me and says, "It's a nice day outside." I just smiled.
I wasn't around when that story was happening, was I? I didn't know you two knew each other from the first grade. I mean, that was a long time ago.
No, we did everything together. And things kind of changed, you know.
Wait, are you saying that the reason you guys drifted apart was because of me?
Well, no. I was just saying. I never.
Please stop. That's exactly what you were saying. Do you have a problem with me? Right? Do you hate me?
I don't hate you. Definitely not hate. You didn't know he liked you, right?
Yes.
Why didn't you do anything about it?
Because I was aware it would change things, and clearly you're not the kind of person who likes change.
Your presence alone changed a few things, and you know it.
Tyler, what are you trying to say?
I want to hear it from you first.
What? What do you want me to say?
That you never loved him? Because you were in love with me.
I can't tell you that.
You know, I've always had a hard time reading you. Yeah. I didn't know what you were thinking or what you felt like at certain times. You know? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong about many things, but I know he felt the same way. You know, you have this sort of shield around you, and even though you entered our lives, you never really let us enter yours.
You're right. You are wrong about a lot of things. It's late, I better get going. Are you going to stop me?
I don't have to stop you. Okay, I know you can't leave. Your fear of being alone is bigger than anything. Oh, so you're still mad at me? Look, I'm sorry, maybe I pushed you a little bit too much, I don't know, but can you just please say something?
I have nothing to say to you.
So I am sorry if you think I have changed or have become this arrogant person. But I don't think you hate me right now, I just think you hate yourself. I hate myself too, you know, for changing, for feeling guilt when I shouldn't. But guilt changes people, you know, even if you do anything in your power to stop that.
You have no idea the power you have over people.
Honestly, I'm not going to keep anything to myself anymore. Okay, I've suffered enough doing that.
Look, Tyler, you don't have to feel guilty about what happened. You were the one that told me that.
I don't believe it. Don't you ever feel guilty?
Sometimes. I don't know why. Should we really just give up and succumb to despair?
Yeah, that's what life is trying to tell you.
That's it. We're officially surrendering to life.
You hear that, world? Happy?
I just had an idea. I'll be right back. Here.
What is that for?
You're always saying you don't have control of your life, so maybe that stops now.
Listen, Tyler, this isn't about control, this is about self-punishment. You're only doing this because deep down you feel guilty somehow and you want to punish yourself and me.
Maybe you're right, but why not do it anyway? Succumb to despair, remember?
You have to stop being so persuasive.
Not today. Hold out your hand. You ready?
In theory. never understand how you could be such a cruel and heartless human being. You don't even deserve to breathe the same air as me. Drop dead.
Wait, Elsa. Can you please not go? Can you stay?
Set love on fire, I see it burning. Rupture me again, let me say my piece, and rattle me within till my heart comes clean. I've borrowed time, you've stolen mine, and my words will cost you. Let it haunt you now. So rupture me again, let me say my piece. Set love on fire, I see it burning. And when the smoke rises up, you slowly pull me